You ready to hear? Or no? I haven't talked to him yet. So we can work on everything. This way I don't have to do an audio recording.
What's charging? I use it too much. It's not true problems. I'm sending the true leave it on the charger.
If you live far away.
You have a signal 30 or discharge.
5213, Red Bucket.
How you doing?
Number, it looks like we're getting
Detective
another
Rennish
signal
with
30
Sullivan County Sheriff's
Bravo.
Office.
5613.
Target kind of briefly inform me of what was going on today. And in order for me to talk to you, I need to read you your rights, right?
74.
Have you ever been arrested before, sir?
Yes, sir. 1051.
Alright, sir, so you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Anything you say can be used against you in court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to have an attorney present now or at any time during questioning. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost. Do you understand that? If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Alright, with your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me today?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So I was notified by Target that apparently over the course of your employment, there's a lot of cash registers that were turned up short, and that they have video surveillance of you folding money in your hand, and instead of putting it into money counter, you slipped it into your pocket.
Yeah.
Is that accurate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a reason why this was happening? Are you?
It was just like financial hardships.
Okay.
And then it turned into a bad habit that should have subsided long ago, or never even started. But yeah, that's all it stemmed from.
Okay. Do you happen to have a drug problem? Because we do have like drug court. We have programs to get people help better addicted to drugs.
Nothing addictive.
Okay.
Nothing serious like that. Just needed to get out of a hole, and then it stuck with a bad habit, really.
Okay. Do you roughly know about how much it's been going on for the past, almost a year or 6 months?
I believe it was 6 months since I started. That's when I bought my house. That's when I needed to finalize some things that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You got how much money, roughly?
They're estimating 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it might be a little bit more than that? Because I know it's about 10,000 only in the last 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, the last 30 to maybe 90, 30, I would say 30 to 60 days is about just over $9,000.
Wow. Yeah. Not that I'm aware of. Like I told them, I when I receive it, I spend it on like materials and stuff because I'm remodeling my house. So
Okay.
nothing that I'm aware of.
Okay. Understandable. You married, sir? Any kids?
Just engaged. Got kids. Yeah.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
Technically 2.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Biological or?
No.
Okay. All right. Yeah. You have anything you'd like to add?
No, what I would do is the whole statement form if he wants to.
Well, they have an admission form here. Can I see that? Is this your form, sir, that you
Yes, sir. Yeah.
you signed out?
Mm-hmm. If you can read it.
Sorry.
Okay. And this is just your signature here
Yes,
on the
sir.
statement?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Let's go if I can get a copy of that. I'm good with that one. Alright, sir. Well, today you are going to be placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay, you'll be able to bond out of the jail, and then from there it's with your attorney, speaking with the state's attorney and Target on working out some type of agreement in order for paying back, and you can go and see what the charges are going to be.
Sure.
Okay, they could reduce the charges, they can drop the charges as long as most likely the money is paid back to Target,
Okay.
and Target agrees to accept the money before it goes to trial,
Right.
then they can always drop the case with the state's attorney's office.
Okay.
Okay? So
Yes,
that's
sir.
something you can definitely work out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. No.
Do you have any questions for Target?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Okay, so you do understand you are fired from the store.
Yep.
Okay, is he trespassed from the store?
Yes.
Okay, and you are being trespassed from the store as well.
Yeah.
Okay, that means you cannot come back to the store property unless you actually speak with somebody from the store and then they lift it. But in order for them to lift it, they have to contact us because it's
Sure.
going to be documented that you are trespassed. Okay, so
From
if you-
just this location or every
Yes.
location?
This
Okay.
location.
Okay, yeah. So if you'd like to come back to this Target, then you make sure you get in touch with management, and management has to call us to cancel the trespass.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir. That's fine.
Can you look at me real quick? I need a picture for the trespass.
All right, well, stand up for me. Do you have any? Well, before you, do you have anything in your pocket you'd like to take out? Do you have
I just got keys and a phone and a wallet.
key phone wall? Okay.
You can take it out.
No knives or anything.
Nothing harmful.
Okay.
Take off this watch.
Yeah, we're gonna take off this watch, okay? So that way we have
Yeah.
some room and you're not getting cut off circulation, okay?
And it doesn't damage your watch.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, place the back of your phone. Yeah, like that.
Check those pockets.
Yeah, I'll wait for
Yeah.
gloves to do.
Yeah, no
I got
problem.
nothing gross in here.
No, you just listen. In this line of work, you've seen it all.
Yeah.
I just don't put my hands in people's pockets till I got gloves on. Oh. Just walk front, and then I'll hold the door open. That sounds good. I grab this property.
Are you able to grab that backpack under the thing?
Where is it?
Under the bench right there.
Yeah, is that your backpack?
Yes, sir.
That's his backpack too, you said. Does it go? I'm gonna go off like that. This
No,
way?
it won't.
You're good, right?
Yeah.
You're good now.
No, this ain't cold.
It's cold enough. Alright, we're gonna go back to that second car back there. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's that truck right there. The big one.
Technically, you can't come back after the truck.
I'll have my fiance do it. Yeah, that's fine.
Right here. Space this fly right in front of that.
Sure.
Okay, let's.
There, grab some.
Yeah, I got it.
So I don't run away.
No,
or,
not
or
running
run.
away.
Or run.
No,
That is the-
I'm not worried about the running part.
I'm not worried about the running part either. That is,
Overweight.
that is part of it.
No, we do a lot of scenarios with tasers, and trust me, I'm pretty accurate. So I doubt that you want to run away from me, at least. I don't know about him.
Did you guys get tased?
I'm fairly
Yeah,
fast.
shit sucks, but
I'm fairly fast.
you know how to do it, right? When we get tased, so we know how it feels. Like you don't want to tase somebody else, yeah. But if we got to, we got to.
Not that bad.
All right, we'll try on you later.
You guys need anything from me?
Nope, we're
Yep.
good.
I'm gonna go hop on the boat.
Thank you. All right, I take this opportunity to let people know that we make decisions in life that are not great. We learn from them, and that's the important thing. And I hope that regardless of what happens, that you learn from this today and what you've done and the consequences that come with doing what you did.
Yeah, this one's gonna fuck me up though, because I was going in the fire service, so I don't think that's gonna work out.
Yeah, you gotta figure it out. Maybe you
Spread
can
your
work
feet
it
out for me.
Yeah, maybe you can work it out with parking and get stopped at free trial or something.
I hope so, but cause that's what I've been, the only job that I've wanted to do, and then do something like this.
Yeah, bro. But regardless, if it works out, if it doesn't work out, you'll have a story to tell. And you just gotta make better decisions than what you've already made.
What's in this pocket? Is it just like
Just
keys?
keys and probably some earpods.
I'm trying to get mine. Keys and AirPods, you said?
Yeah.
gym membership I don't go to.
Yeah, we all have those.
They might not be.
908-302, where are you at?
Yeah, there's. They're just not wanting to come out there either. I don't want to go drop them all over the place. Right there. Nothing up here, right? No pockets.
Good.
Yeah, give me just a second. Alright, go ahead, take a seat.
Hey, Cameron, you've been so honest with us. Is there any money in your wallet that belongs to Target?
Just the big bills, I think.
Okay. One second. Just 1 second. 3713
It's warm in here, man.
Go ahead.
I don't like being cold.
Maybe outside for a second.
I don't like being really hot or really cold, so
Dental.
I can turn if it's too hot, just let me know. Alright. So if you're honest with us and hold on. Let me see what I can fix it. Is the backpack good to go in?
No, I haven't checked that. This is everything that doesn't need to be searched. Wallet, and that does need to get searched. You got an extra pair of gloves? I'll stand right here while you grab this stuff.
Of course I have gloves. I need to go back to the FT and get some more.
I keep on meaning to grab the bag for the black ones, not the black ones, but
You don't like the FT ones?
no. I know you like how they go all the way up your elbow, but I like the black ones because they look better.
They also don't show blood very well.
So, I told Cameron that he's been so honest with us, right? And that I was going to search his wallet. I asked him, was there any money in here that belonged to Target? And he said, just the big bills.
Okay.
So, if you want to continue with that line, I can pull out whatever.
Feel free to, 50s, 100s.
When is this from, this money?
I don't know. It's December.
Is this from, it's not from today, it's from previous days? Okay.
So, how much money is supposed to be in here?
I don't have my wallet.
Is it safe to say that most of this money is from Target? Or changed from? $5 and $100 bills. Hold up for me. So 6. $7. $8. $9. I'm just separating by. $1,000. $1,029.
I counted.
Okay. What are you thinking with this? I mean, he admitted that most of this money is either change or
Yeah.
money from
So, unfortunately, I have to do a currency form.
to give it back to them.
No, because if it's going to go into property at the sheriff's office, then it needs a currency form, and that has to be signed off by a sergeant.